I did a video on this. I don't know if it was a year and a half or about 2 years now. I have this puzzle board table that's been great. My kids love this. My daughters, they love to put puzzles together. I don't have as much patience anymore, but they definitely love it. Now, I still get some questions, and this is still a popular table, so I thought I would come back and do an update, especially since we do use it and my daughters love it. Now, they do have some out there that's just a table where you could put it on like a tabletop or on the floor and then it spins and stuff. But I actually really like that this one has its own stand and then we just wheel it around wherever we need it. Also, this does rotate, so you can adjust it to the angle that you want to work on. If you want to work on it flat, you can. If you want it to be tilted towards you, you can. And it will actually hold the puzzle pieces fairly well with that felt board on there. Now let me go ahead and show you up close. You will see that this does have a really nice lining on it, just like kind of like a pool table. It feels really nice though. And it does grip the pieces. It does hold on pretty well. I showed you that with it tilting. This one will handle up to 1,500 pieces. Now another thing with this one is that you can adjust it up and down. So right now it's almost at its lowest setting, but we can adjust these knobs and we can put it up or down. It actually will go down even further. So they do have measurements right here on the sides of the legs. That way you can match it up on both sides easily. Also, another thing about this table is that there are 4 drawers in it, 2 on each side. Now, I haven't gotten my daughter into using the drawers. She thinks it's more of a pain, but I know a lot of people do love being able to store their pieces in these. And like I said, there are 2 on each side of it. And as you can see, it wheels around very easily. These wheels work really well. Also, these wheels do have locks, so you can lock them in place where it doesn't wheel around on you. But if you're looking for a pretty good puzzle table, this one has been really great for the last couple of years. So we could say for longevity, this is pretty good quality. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.